Hey guys, welcome to BRK Homemaker. Today I'm going to share with you in this video a special recipe meat fry, which is very tasty and simple recipe, but this is bit a lengthy recipe you can say, and because it is a meat. If you have a tender meat, this will really take very less of your time. If it is not so, this is gonna take a very lengthy process, and but it is going to be very tasty recipe. Then what for we are waiting for? Let's get into the video. And here what I'm doing is I just kept the pan and added 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil and just washed the meat, raw meat, and just adding to the pan directly, because this I'm gonna dry roast this only with the oil. And here what I is just gonna sprinkle some 2 tablespoons of salt and 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, and this I'm gonna mix well. And I'm doing this with the bone as well as boneless. I'm not separating the boneless nor the bones, so this is going to be amazing taste, guys. And there are so many steps which you have to follow, so don't skip in between, watch full video. I'll mix well. Then what you have to do is you have to close with the lid until it cooks. I'm not adding any water here because it is a tender meat, so it is gonna have already it'll cook with the only with that water itself. Look how I've just closed. Now I just kept the other pan and added coriander seeds of 2 tablespoons. Now I'm gonna add all the spices. I'm gonna dry roast this. Now I just added star anise of 3 and cinnamon of 4, which I just break into small pieces. And now I'm gonna add black cumin seeds, or you can call it sajira. And here I'm gonna add cloves. This is give really a great flavor. Now I'm gonna add a cardamom of 3 to 4. Yes, you have to dry roast this until it really great aroma you'll be getting once it get dry roast. Then you have to remove and just keep aside to get cool down. So just after cool down, just added the mixie jar and made a powder, fine powder I made. Now in the other mixie jar I just added 2 tomatoes chopped, and this Kashmiri chilies I just added for the color purpose. That tomatoes and Kashmiri chilies paste is ready now, so I just kept another pan and added 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and finely chopped onions I just added to the pan. And now I'm gonna add a fresh ginger garlic paste, which is homemade one, and you have to fry this until the raw flavor goes. Look, the onions are ready now. As I told you, now I'm going to add the ginger garlic paste of 2 tablespoons. I'm adding very fresh one, and just wait until it get fry. So meanwhile, what I would like to say is this will really give a great color because I added the Kashmiri chilies. And if you want, you can add normal chilies also, but even though you can reduce the red chili powder. But here I'm not going to add red chili powder, if you observe. Now the meat is half cooked, so what I did, the onions and ginger garlic paste which I fried, no, same thing I added, and the mixie jar Kashmiri chilies and tomatoes paste I just added now. And now just giving a nice mix. Now you can just add salt also. Please just salt also here, and just mix well. Wow, what a color! If you see, now only feel like, oh, my mouth is watering like anything to have this. Even you can have this with the roti or even with the rice, anything it may be, but this is going to be amazing taste, guys. And look how the color is, so colorful, right? Even if we go for restaurants, I just added 2 tablespoon of coriander powder. And here I'm not adding a red chili powder because I just added Kashmiri red chilies. Along with that, I just added even the normal chilies of 4 to 5 because it is more spiciness, so I didn't add any red chili powder here. So here I just added 1/4 cup of coriander leaves and half cup of mint leaves and curd of 250 ml I just added here. And wow, look at that, how it is looking. Wow, it's so nice. Just give a nice mix, and this is going to be amazing, I can say. Even if you go to restaurants, You feel like so colorful food, right? As soon as seeing the color only we feel like having, though the taste is not good, but this is not like that. The color, the taste, yumminess with wow, super taste you'll be having. So you guys also try this at home and let me know in the comment section how really you felt with the taste. I think you might say wow. Now what you'll do, just close with the lid and cook for another 15 minutes. So look the how the oil is floating. Now it's a time to add up the spices powder which we already made. It is homemade one which is very healthy also. Now just give a nice mix. Wow, what a aroma I'm getting, you know. It is so fresh spices powder we just added, just like garam masala I can say. And wow, I really love this aroma, and you'll also try. Please, you'll also get the same aroma while preparing. Just close with the lid again and until those powders and all should cook well, no, along with this. Even those flavor just even you can feel the meat while having juicy tasty, those flavors also you can feel while having this meat. And finally if you give a nice mix and the oil also will float like this, and finally what I'm gonna do is you just have to pour a little bit of ghee. This, if you have a butter before only you could have add butter, but here I don't have a butter, so I just added the very hot ghee here. Now finally this is how it looks. It is ready now. This is ready to serve. And guys, now see, as I told you, I'm gonna add a ghee here. I just added 2 tablespoons of oil, and this is gonna give a great flavor, smell. Wow, aroma is so super, and color, wow, look at it, so nice. No, I hope this video is very helpful to prepare this meat fry even with the roti and the rice. It is awesome, guys. No need to worry about the what to prepare every day in the weekend, especially non-vegetarians. Enjoy this recipe and take care. Bye bye.